Welcome back to New Look. Everyone has dark spots here and there on your entire body. This occurs due to pimples or acne scars or else the mosquito bites. Everyone has these dark spots on your body. Now I am going to show one simple natural remedy how to treat these dark spots from your skin. So let's get started. This is a DIY one you all must try at your home. Raw milk, almond oil and some petroleum jelly. By using these three materials, petroleum jelly, raw milk and almond oil, now we are going to make a remedy to treat the dark spots. Now take a bowl, add some amount of Vaseline, 1 tablespoon of milk and few drops of almond oil. Dilute all these ingredients. This petroleum jelly is an inexpensive household product that acts as a barrier to trap the moisture in the skin and can play a major role in reducing the level of excess pigmentation also. Though there is no cure for severe skin dry, a healthy amount of petroleum jelly combined with a few other moisturizing products like almond oil can clear unsightly cracks and dryness, leaving it in its place healthy and rejuvenated skin. After mixing well, take a cotton. If you have any earbud at your home, you can use that earbud. For now, I am using cotton. Take the cotton and prepare like a stick. Using this tip, I am going to apply on the dark spots. Just dip the tip of this cotton into the mixture and apply on the dark spots wherever you have mosquito bites or any wounds, marks, whatever you have dark spots in your area. You just apply there. The warning is, do not use this petroleum jelly on your entire face. This can cause severe skin irritation issues such as acne. We all know acne, it is very so this treatment does not work to lighten the skin. It only reduces the dark spots. If you have any skin irritation by using this, just consult the dermatologist for the further instructions. Don't directly apply this petroleum jelly onto your face. It will give a darker shade for your face. Just apply this mixture on the spots wherever you have on your skin, and after 15 minutes just wipe it off with the cotton or else with the help of water. It's very simple home remedy to treat the dark spots. Again, I am warning to not to use this petroleum jelly entire your face. Just apply wherever you have the dark spots. That's it guys for now, and please subscribe to our channel New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.